Who helps you at school?
My teacher helps me.
Who cooks food at home?
My mother cooks food.
Who drives the bus?
The driver drives the bus.
Who teaches English?
The teacher teaches English.
Who brings letters?
The postman brings letters.
Who sells fruits?
The fruit seller sells fruits.
Who wears a uniform at school?
Students wear a uniform.
Who repairs shoes?
The cobbler repairs shoes.
Who treats patients?
The doctor treats patients.
Who cuts our hair?
The barber cuts our hair.
What shines at night?
The moon shines.
What shines in the morning?
The sun shines.
What gives us milk?
The cow gives us milk.
What gives us honey?
The bee gives us honey.
What gives us wool?
The sheep gives us wool.
What gives us cotton?
The plant gives us cotton.
What gives us oxygen?
Trees give us oxygen.
What gives us rice?
The paddy plant gives us rice.
What gives us bread?
Wheat gives us bread.
What gives us sugar?
Sugarcane gives us sugar.
Where do you write homework?
I write in my notebook.
Where do you keep pencils?
I keep them in the box.
Where do you keep money?
I keep it in my wallet.
Where do you keep clothes?
I keep them in the cupboard.
Where do you keep shoes?
I keep them on the rack.
Where do you keep toys?
I keep them in the basket.
Where do you keep food?
I keep it in the fridge.
Where do you keep plates?
I keep them in the kitchen.
Where do you keep books?
I keep them on the shelf.
Where do you keep bags?
I keep them on the table.
Which animal barks?
The dog barks.
Which animal meows?
The cat meows.
Which animal roars?
The lion roars.
Which animal neighs?
The horse neighs.
Which animal brays?
The donkey brays.
Which animal moos?
The cow moos.
Which animal bleats?
The goat bleats.
Which animal quacks?
The duck quacks.
Which animal growls?
The tiger growls.
Which animal chirps?
The sparrow chirps.
What do you write with?
I write with a pen.
What do you eat with?
I eat with a spoon.
What do you cut with?
I cut with scissors.
What do you wash with?
I wash with soap.
What do you sweep with?
I sweep with a broom.
What do you drink with?
I drink with a glass.
What do you sleep on?
I sleep on a bed.
What do you write on?
I write on paper.
What do you sit on?
I sit on a chair.
What do you read in?
I read in a book.
What color is the apple?
It is red.
What color is the banana?
It is yellow.
What color is the sky?
It is blue.
What color is the leaf?
It is green.
What color is the snow?
It is white.
What color is the crow?
It is black.
What color is the orange?
It is orange.
What color is the rose?
It is pink.
What color is the sun?
It is yellow.
What color is the chocolate?
It is brown.
What do you hear in the morning?
I hear birds singing.
What do you hear in the evening?
I hear people talking.
What do you hear in the market?
I hear shopkeepers calling.
What do you hear on the road?
I hear cars honking.
What do you hear at night?
I hear dogs barking.
What do you hear at the zoo?
I hear animals roaring.
What do you hear in the forest?
I hear birds chirping.
What do you hear in the class?
I hear teachers teaching.
What do you hear in the rain?
I hear drops falling.
What do you hear on the phone?
I hear voices.
Who takes care of sick people?
A nurse takes care of them.
Who tells us stories?
My grandmother tells stories.
Who teaches math?
The teacher teaches math.
Who builds houses?
A mason builds houses.
Who makes furniture?
A carpenter makes furniture.
Who paints walls?
A painter paints walls.
Who drives taxis?
A taxi driver drives taxis.
Who sails boats?
A sailor sails boats.
Who catches thieves?
A policeman catches thieves.
Who cleans streets?
A sweeper cleans streets.
What grows in the desert?
Cactus grows there.
What grows in water?
Lotus grows there.
What grows in the garden?
Flowers grow there.
What grows in the field?
Crops grow there.
What grows on trees?
Fruits grow there.
What grows in pots?
Plants grow there.
What grows under the soil?
Potatoes grow there.
What grows on the vine?
Grapes grow there.
What grows in the jungle?
Tall trees grow there.
What grows in the farm?
Wheat grows there.
Who brings water at home?
The tap brings water.
Who runs in the race?
The runner runs.
Who sings songs?
The singer sings songs.
Who acts in movies?
The actor acts in movies.
Who dances on stage?
The dancer dances.
Who plays football?
The player plays football.
Who plays piano?
The pianist plays piano.
Who plays guitar?
The guitarist plays guitar.
Who drives the train?
The engine driver drives it.
Who flies the airplane?
The pilot flies the airplane.